Fine. Myself, Manzar Imam Noori. I will be the trainer for Power BI course. So let's see the agenda for today's demo. For today's demo, agenda is to help you decide whether you want to join this Power BI course and join our course, and what you will learn from our training sessions. Fine. In this entire course, duration of course, what you will learn from this course. Also, what you want to learn, and we'll see the various capabilities of Power BI tool as a visualization business intelligence tool, and what are the different capabilities it has. Also, what will be the outcome post completion of this course. So let's go with the agenda. As most of you have already decided to learn Power BI, learn a visualization tool. So we'll understand what Power BI provides, what are the capabilities Power BI provides as a visualization tool, business intelligence tool. Okay. Power BI is a tool from Microsoft. It provides an easy to use capabilities, and you may know that it's very popular in the market. It is a highly paid and in demand skill, fine, compared to its peers. It's on the top, right? So among its peers, you have Tableau, you have ClickView, Cognos, Domo, and so many other visualization tools are there. Then why do you choose, or why should you choose Power BI, as a skill set for business intelligence? We'll see all of these. So as I was telling that this is easy to use tool, easy to use, it has easy to use capabilities. All of the complex visualizations you can create easily with Power BI. It has inbuilt AI, artificial intelligence capabilities. It has many other capabilities. It has the capabilities to use machine learning, using Python, using R, right? It provides interactive visualizations to create interactions. You don't have to do much. It's all as a part of the Power BI tool. It gives you the capability to create the interactivities automatically with this tool, right? You can create a very powerful dashboard, and it can be done very easily and in a short amount of time, right? With the easy to use capabilities, built-in capabilities, you have all the drag and drop capabilities here. You don't have to do much programming. So let's see what else do we have, what are the different capabilities it has, and what would you do with Power BI? So using Power BI, you can discover the better insight from your data, right? And you can create practical steps to for the various tasks, right? You may want to do. So what are the tasks you may have? You may want to analyze your data. You may want to do pattern recognition. You want to, trend analysis. You may want to do many, you can do the exploratory analysis for machine learning. So many things are that you can unearth any hidden patterns, right? With the millions of rows of raw data you may have. So from among that, using different techniques, using data mining techniques, right? You can use this Power BI to get all of those patterns and insights. Fine. Here, with the Power BI tool, you have the capability to clean your data. Fine. And unlike other tools, many other tools doesn't provide these capabilities to clean the data with the same tool. You need to use some other tools to clean your data first. Like you can clean your data in the database, you can use other tools to clean your data. Then you have to use business intelligence tool, or like in Cognos or Tableau. You don't have many of these capabilities to create, right? Here, the other capabilities you have, you can import your data in memory, you can keep your data in memory, and that is giving the uh, performance benefit. The performance will be better than any other live connections from the directly from the database, right? So all of these capabilities you have, and the same capability will be also available in other tools, many other tools like in-memory capabilities. Most of the tools nowadays provides the in-memory capabilities. Here we can see what benefits you have over other tools using Power BI, right? Here we have a cloud-based services, okay, and desktop-based interface. In desktop-based interface, you can create your report, your visualizations, your and publish it to cloud, and from there, your users, the clients, will be accessing the dashboard or reports. Fine. It offers robust and easy data modeling capabilities as well. I was telling you can do the data preparation in the tool itself using Power Query Editor, right? And interactive dashboards. It is the capabilities automatically. You have all those capabilities using in the Power BI. You don't have to do much. You don't have to create programming to get the interactivity, right? So we'll see during our sessions, during entire training sessions, how we can use all of these capabilities to create our visualization, to create our dashboard, to create the reports, different reports, right? And in the demo, we'll see a small demo how we can create a dashboard and create interactions. Apart from these, the robust set of calculations, robust set of formulas, which is called DAX, right? So data analysis expressions. So it has a rich set of expressions, rich set of formulas, which is like Excel formulas, and that can be easily used in Power BI to create a powerful, data that can be that can be used to get your data in a particular form, whatever way you want to show in the visualization, or however you want to calculate your data, aggregate your data, or do different analysis, do slicing, dicing. So for all of those, you have the robust capability, robust, functions, which are called DAX here. And with the DAX, you can almost perform any kind of calculations. Fine. Let's see how Power BI is doing in the market, how it compares with its peers in the market. So you can see Power BI is on the top, and then Tableau. So these two are the leaders, Click, ClickView, ClickSense, and there are so many other tools are also there. But you can see this Power BI and Microsoft Power BI and Tableau, these are on the top, in the recent years. Fine. Let's see what we are offering from our academy. We will provide you end-to-end project creation from scratch, right? We will learn each technique, and we'll also learn the dashboarding technique, how we can create dashboard. The also we are here, we are providing the package, right, for mastering Power BI at a pocket friendly cost, right? And so we'll also provide the assignments, okay, after each session, or maybe after completing each module, right? So all of these we are offering from our TechNest Academy, okay? So if you have any question on these, you can always ask. You can just you can post your questions in the group. We'll try to reply as soon as possible. Fine. Yeah, and these sessions, entire sessions, will be covered within 24 with 24 sessions. Each session will be of 1 hour. Will cover from the scratch to the advanced level in this course. Fine. Yeah. So these are, and we'll use the data set. We'll use manufacturing data from Microsoft, right? Microsoft Simple Database, which is the yeah, which is provided with the Microsoft SQL Server, AdventureWorks Cycles company. So this is manufacturing company, and we will be creating 4 to 5 dashboard using that data. Even if you are working in any domain, you can suggest your data set. We will be using that data for assignment purpose. Okay, we will create, and you can we'll be creating a separate dashboard using that assignment data set. Fine. And whatever I will be creating in the class, that will be created using the manufacturing data of AdventureWorks company. Okay, so let's see a small demo of Power BI capabilities and what we can do. This is just the capabilities are not limited to whatever we are seeing. This is having huge capabilities, right? So let's see a small demo on this data. So this is one of the dashboard we will be creating in our sessions. So here you can see we'll have the navigations, and yeah, we can go and we can create the different, we will create the different visualizations. We will create the underlying formulas to get this data, right? We will also see the we'll see how we can drill up this data, and how we can just drill through from one page to another page. Fine. We'll be creating the filters, slicers, and various KPIs, right? All of these capabilities we'll be having. We'll be learning these techniques to check, yeah. And also here you can see the various capabilities with charts, with the tables and different table calculations, formattings. All these capabilities we'll be seeing during our classes. Fine. And now here, from here, you can see this kind of dashboard we'll be creating. You will be creating, we'll be analyzing the different, and dashboard is one page where we have all the important visualizations to decide, to make a decision for our business, right? So all of these is our separate dashboards, and this entire set is called a report. And we will use we will get our data from different sources. We will do the model building. So we'll create our model, we will also use it. We will create the different calculations, whatever required, to show our data. These are different calculations we will be creating, right? So all of these DAXs, we will learn each and every technique. So from the DAX, from the functions, we will also see almost DAX from different categories, right? Like aggregations, like time intelligence functions, date functions. We have these DAXs for the string functions, right? So all of those capabilities, logical functions. So all of these kind of things we will learn during our classes, and how we can build the model. Also, these kind of things we will see in our classes, during our classes. Fine. So yeah, and apart from these, right? Apart from these, we will also learn how we can use this R and Python, right? Using for machine learning, right? It has these many capabilities. So let's see on the small demo on machine learning using Python, right? Let's see how we can do, how we can use our Python for machine learning. And we will here we will learn two different packages from Python which are used for visualizations. Fine. This matplot library, Seaborn. So these are the two packages we will learn using Python with Power BI. Here there is a machine learning model we have used, and now you can see the capabilities of machine learning using Python with Power BI. This is the data set we have. Let's see. So this is the data set we have, and we want to analyze our data. Fine. We want to analyze our data where customers have bought clothes, right? Customers have bought clothes, and customer wants, we want to just analyze the customer's sentiment, what review they have given, right? Review text. So we want to analyze the reviews and create a sentiment from that, so that we understand what customers are talking about our products, different products. Fine. So let's see how we can do it easily using Power BI and Python, and what are the visualizations we can create. See here, we have just the text, review text, right? We have created for each purchase of clothes, right? We have created sentiment related to that purchase. And what are the sentiment they have given? We have created the sentiment negative, more negative value is more negative sentiment, and positive values have good sentiment. So let's analyze. We have used our models. Okay, we have more used sentiment models, and with this model, we have created this sentiment. Now you can see, and how you can analyze these various data using Power BI. You know, this you can analyze. Okay, the sentiment has been done, and then you can now analyze what are the different customer review is there related to that product, and how what we can do to provide better services. So these kind of things we will learn during Power BI, Power BI course. Okay. So yeah, that's we are going to learn in Power BI technical side, right? And what about techniques required for creating dashboard, that we will also learn. And these are the various things we'll be learning: how to create filters, how to transform our data. All of those things we'll be learning during the entire course. Fine. That will also give you the end-to-end knowledge of Power BI. With right amount of practice, you will be mastering it. Okay, fine. So that's all I have in Power BI side. Okay, and the demo, like what we are going to learn, how we are going to create the different visualizations. Fine. So all of these things and how we are going to create our model. So all of these things we are going to learn in Python. Fine. Yeah. And apart from that, what we have here is, sorry. So apart from that, right, let's see what are the different things. Okay. So this is what we are going to see in technical side, and this is the minimum requirement for installing Power BI. Okay, to have your Power BI installed, you should have Windows 10 or above, Windows 8.1 or above. Okay, and Windows 7 is not supported in Power BI. You should have at least 4 GB RAM. 4 GB RAM is recommended, right? And also Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge you should have, and we'll also see the different. So I think nowadays whatever laptops are coming, those are with correct amount of visual memories, right? So that should not be an issue. The CPUs and all those things, RAMs. So this should not be an issue for current days laptop. So you should be recommend this 10 Windows 10 or above versions. Okay, that will be recommended for using Power BI. Fine. You can install Power BI going to the Microsoft site. Fine. Just see, you can go to Microsoft site and you can install the Power BI from Microsoft. Okay. And yeah, so these and we'll discuss this before you join our session, right? You should and the installation is just straightforward. You don't have to do much for installing Power BI, and it is easy. You can just go to Power BI site. Let's see. So download. Just go to download. Download Power BI. Download Power BI. Just click and from the Microsoft site, right? Power BI site, you can go to download, and it can be easily downloaded, and installation also is simple. You can either go to this product, download this product or Power BI desktop, or you can even go down here and check this advanced download options. So if you have 64-bit machine, you can download for 64-bit machine, right? Here you have, you can choose the language. Okay, and okay. So downloading Power BI. You have to install and go to download, and from here you can easily download. So just click on download. So that will give you the option to download. And it is just straightforward. Just you have to that .exe file. So you have to follow the normal download options. Okay. So that's how you can just download before you join, before starting a class. You keep it ready and download it. So we'll from the first class itself, we will start our hands-on. So you have to practice it with hands-on. So what are the post-completion outcome? Here you will be learning to create the interactive dashboard and visualizations. So we'll also learn the dashboard design concepts with series. You will learn to use the calculations using the access. Fine. Able to apply the skills to gain insights, right? And be able to also perform exploratory analysis for data science. Yeah, so these are the things we have. Okay, and this will cover pretty much everything in Power BI, so from scratch to the advanced. So that's all I have. If you have any question, so you can post your question in the group, or, and you can join our class with the, we'll provide the information how you can join our class, or how you can pay for joining the class, enrolling into the class, right? Okay, so that's all I have for this demo class. So if you have any question, you can always reach out to me or Firdaus, or you can just post your question in the group. Okay, so yeah, that's all. Thank you.